Welcome to our classroom. We are so excited to be your teachers this year. This very important year promises to be filled with lots of learning, lots of discovery, and lots of fun. We want every student to feel safe, cared about, and excited when they come to the school each day. In our classroom, daily activities are planned to encourage self-confidence, discipline in children. So, in our classroom, we use blended teaching method to the children so that they can grasp and learn the things easily without memorizing. This is the lab material where children can learn alphabets through phonetics. We use first lab and then we'll go to the board, then we'll go to the books. This is how children learn numbers through counting, and then we'll go to the board. We'll make them to learn through board, and then we'll go to the books. This is the material through which children learn colors. They explore through this and they learn easily color recognition through this. We have the chart for days of the week. Children learn easily through the chart by seeing the chart. And we have the alphabets chart and we have the shapes where children can see daily and recognize this is circle, this is triangle. So children, we are so excited. Join soon.